Windows is a great operating system to use, but not all of its components work properly all the time. My name is Yadullah, you are watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we are talking about how you can fix Microsoft Store apps not downloading on Windows. So if the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC isn't downloading apps, the first thing that you need to do is check for your C drive storage. Now to do that, you can open Windows Explorer using Windows key plus E, or just click on the File Explorer in the Start menu. And as you can see here, my C drive in which Windows is installed has only 14 GB space left. Now, if I try to download any apps or any other big games or anything of the sort from Microsoft Store, this might be a problem. So free up a little bit of space in the C drive and then try again. I will show you how to do that. To do it, open the Windows settings by pressing Windows key plus I. And once you're there, head over to System, or you can just look up Storage. Head over to Storage Settings, and this will show you everything installed on your C drive. We'll just give it a second to load everything up. Yeah, so as you can see, I have 28.2 GBs worth of temporary files, Windows upgrade log files. All of this can be deleted, so you can just go ahead, click the remove files button, click continue. This will take a while to get everything sorted out, but once it does, you will have a lot more free space on your drive. As you can see, now I have 42.5 GB free, and that can potentially fix the problem. So another thing that you can do if clearing enough storage space didn't fix the problem is to terminate Microsoft Store and then reset it. To do that, once again, open the settings menu by pressing Windows key plus I, head over to apps, and in here, click on installed apps. You will see this system components setting all the way to the bottom. So just give it a second to load, scroll all the way down, and just click on system components. In here, you'll see Microsoft Store. Click these three dots and head over to Advanced Options. Now, in here, there are a couple of things that you can do. First up is to terminate the app using the terminate button. And then you can go ahead and repair it. If repairing doesn't work as well, you can come back to this page and try to reset the app. Since you can't remove it to reinstall Microsoft Store, you're going to have to do that via a PowerShell command, and that's something I'll tell you later on in the video. So for now, try repairing or resetting, and that should fix the problem. Next up is another method of resetting Microsoft Store. For that, just press Windows key plus X and click on Terminal Admin or Command Prompt Admin, however you've set this. Let's give it the permissions it needs, and it opens up an administrator PowerShell window. In here, type WSReset.exe and press enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store from scratch and reinstall any missing files or replace any corrupted files, and that should fix your problem. Next up, there is a chance that corrupted files in your Windows installation may be causing Windows components to not work properly. To look for those, once again, we go to Windows key plus X to open the quick access menu, click on terminal/admin, give it the permission it needs, bring it back here, and in here I am going to type the sfc/scan now command. Type this, press enter. It'll take a while to scan your entire system and come up with any issues that might be causing any problems, any corrupted Windows files, any corrupted update logs, and so on and so forth, and it will automatically replace them. Once the scan is complete, restart your system and try accessing the Microsoft Store again. Next up, let's talk about the background services that power your PC. Now, to access them, just press the Windows key and search for services. Open this up. And as you can see, I now have full list of all the services that run on the base system. So there are two services that we are going to restart. The first up is Windows Update service, which should be right here. So this enables the detection, download and installation of updates for Windows and any other pre-installed programs. If the startup type is set to manual, just go ahead and set it to automatic. And if the service status says stop, click the start button to immediately restart the service. If it's automatically running when you're on this window, you can click stop and then start it again. Once you're done making the changes, hit the apply button and click OK. The next service we're going to sort of restart is the Microsoft Store service itself. Now it's right here, Microsoft Store install service. So once again, we're going to double click it. Make sure that the startup type is set to automatic, and if the service is stopped, click the start button to start it. Otherwise, stop it and then start it manually again. Once you're done with all of these changes, just restart your PC and give the Microsoft Store another shot. Alright, last but not least, as I mentioned before, if nothing else works, you can reinstall the Microsoft Store using the PowerShell. So once again, right click, go to terminal, or you can just search for PowerShell and run it as administrator. Give it the permissions it needs, and now you can copy paste these two commands from the description below. So the first command is this. Let me just bring it in the server. So Get-Appxpackage, AllUser Windows Store Remove-Apppackage. What it does is that it fetches the Windows Store app package for all users on the PC and then removes it. The second command in here is for reinstalling and disabling any developer modes or any other fluff that might get installed once you're trying to re-get or sort of refetch the Microsoft Windows Store back on your PC. You'll find both of these commands in the description below. Just copy paste them into PowerShell. Make sure that it's run with administrator privileges. Press enter after each time. Once you're done, restart your PC and you should be able to download anything you want from the Microsoft Store. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.